Alright guys, one of the final steps on this bike rebuild, is the seat. Got the exhaust installed, I've got the handlebars installed, I've got the fairing installed. There's some other little bits and pieces that, as you guys can tell, my intake is still in the process of coming in the mail. I ordered it about a week ago, it's still coming in the mail, so I'm waiting on that. But I've got a seat and I want to share it with you guys. Check it out. I got the Saddlemen StepUp seat. Let's do an unboxing. I got the full diamond stitch, front, back, and backrest and back, and diamond stitch. You can get all sorts of different styles. You can get it where it's like ribbed like this way. You get a gripper back, just flat leather in the back. I decided to go with the diamond stitch. See how it looks. And I think that completes the bike. Makes it look perfect. And that's clean. What do you guys think? That looks sharp.